Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do chicken and rice. We sound like we're doing a lot of rice recipes, but we like rice. My husband farmed rice when he was farming, and he used to serve on the board down at Riceland Foods to promote rice a lot because there wasn't very many people eating rice in Arkansas. The first thing we're going to do is put our rice, uncooked rice in, and it's Riceland Food, the rice that a lot of this rice is raised in Arkansas. You know, Arkansas is one of the biggest rice states in the Union. They raise a lot of rice. Now, let me tell you this too. I'm doubling this recipe because I have some people I want to send this food to. First, we put 2 cups of long grain rice, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 packages of Lipton's onion soup. I love most every recipe that has the Lipton's onion soup. I really like that. 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup. It's Campbell's. This is really easy. All you do is just put all this stuff in a pot, put it in the oven. I think I've told you before now, I'm not a gourmet cook by no means. I'm just a 91-year-old woman cooking for a family. 2 cups of water. Remember now, we're doubling this recipe. Now I have already washed this chicken, and I don't take the skin off or anything. You can use any kind of chicken you want to, but I'm using the thighs. It's good to use in this. You might want to use chicken breast. And there is 4 pounds of chicken. We'll just kind of push that down in there. Now the next thing we do is use 15 ounces of chicken broth. A lot of this will evaporate and cook away. It won't have that much liquid in it. And we'll put a little salt and pepper to taste, whatever you think you need. Now, don't want to overdo it. We're going to put a lid on this, and we have a preheated oven of 350 degrees, and we're going to cook it for 1 hour. And then you check it, and if it's not tender enough, you cook it a little longer, but I think 1 hour will do it. Since we doubled that recipe, it's possible we may have to cook that a little longer, but we'll find out. We'll check on it. Now our chicken and rice has finished cooking. We had to cook it an extra 15 minutes because we doubled the recipe, so it really cooked 1 hour and 15 minutes. I hope you try this recipe, and I hope you enjoy it as much as my family does. And I hope I see you on another video, and thank you for watching.